Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to my channel Nails for Sanam. This is my first upload of the 2024, and we're going to do no tools needed nail art. So, I'm going to use toothpick for this nail art, and to make the flowers, I'm going to use white nail polish. And then we're going to just dab the dots just like this in a semicircular shape. Second color that I'm using is hot pink, but you can use any color that you like, and I'm going to add the dots to the over the white ones that I added, slightly overlapping it, and then with the pointy side I'm going to drag the dots inwards so that it looks like a flower petals. Add some dots in the center, and our flower is done. Isn't that easy? No tools needed at all. So I'm going to repeat this process for the flowers that I wanted to create. See, the nail art is done. Now I'm just going to do for rest of my fingers just like this. I'm going to repeat the process. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so that help my channel grow. So our nail art is done. And if you haven't seen my recent upload, which was in 2023, you can check it out here. Now I'm going to top it off with my favorite top coat. It dries instantly with this Sally Hansen Insta Dry top coat. And wow, we're done. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, happy painting!